Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on Fidelity. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fidelity.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fidelity website. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top section and you will be taken into the login portal. Go ahead and enter your username that you have set up while creating your account and then type in your account password underneath. After typing both of these, click on the login button and you will be logged into your Fidelity account. Once you have been logged in, click on customer service at the top section and this will take you into the customer service portal. Within this page, you will see the manage my debit or credit card option underneath cash and card management. Go ahead and click on it, and from within this option, you can simply search for cancel credit card and you will see the instructions and the steps that you can follow in order to cancel your credit card from Fidelity. You can simply follow these steps and your card will be cancelled right away. If you face any other issues, you can click on Get Live Support and you can contact with the support team in order to cancel your card right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel your credit card on Fidelity. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.